Australasia's independent voice on vehicle safety, ANCAP, has today announced 5-star safety ratings for the new Ford Ranger and its partner model, the Ford Everest. One of Australia's highest-selling vehicles, the new Ford Ranger utility, and its SUV partner, the Ford Everest, both land on Australian and New Zealand roads with a highly anticipated safety rating of 5 stars following a full suite of independent tests conducted at test labs across Australia. The Ford Ranger comes equipped standard with dual frontal, side chest protecting and side head protecting curtain airbags, as well as a driver and passenger knee airbag. A center airbag which provides added protection to front seat occupants inside impact crashes is also a standard offering. Solid scores were achieved for the Ranger and Everest protection of adult occupants in the frontal offset, side impact and far side impact tests, though marginal scores were recorded for the chest of the rear passenger in the full-width frontal crash test and for the chest of the driver in the oblique pull test. High and heavy vehicles, such as utilities and large SUVs, pose an increased risk to occupants of oncoming vehicles in a crash, and this was shown with the Ford Ranger and Ford Everest, where a compatibility penalty was applied. Maximum scores were awarded recognizing the good levels of protection offered to child occupants in the frontal offset and side impact crashes. Consumers must note, however, that most child restraints are legally only able to be used in seating positions where a top tether anchorage point is fitted, and in the case of the Ranger, a top tether anchorage is not fitted in the center seating position of the second row in double cab variants. The installation of child restraints in single and extended cab variants of the Ford Ranger is also not recommended, as there are no top tether anchorages fitted. The Ford Ranger and Ford Everest both offer a broad range of active collision avoidance systems to help prevent or minimize the severity of a crash, including the ability to detect unmarked road edges and oncoming vehicles in turning across path intersection scenarios. Performance tests of autonomous emergency braking, lane keep assistance, and speed assistance all scored well,